for minor speeding terminated. 10-4, terminating. Jonesboro, CA County. All vans confirmed it was just traffic charges.
10-4.
318, are you anywhere close?
Yeah, 10-4, I'm right behind them. Looks like 3 county units got behind them and they all killed their lights.
Yeah. 10-4, you gonna take it over?
I can. They're all 22, and at this point.
Deputy fails the ELCBI and in it. Jonesboro, send them a message and advise them they better stay with 18 if he takes it over.
Looks like county is going to follow the vehicle for a bit.
10-4, pass him, take it over in TBI.
10-4.
Jonesboro, C3, I will want to advise their public service with the driver. 10-4, advise him to tell him he's fixing to get TBI and put in the ditch if he doesn't pull over. 10-4.
TBI, TBI. Let me see your hands! Hands now! Let's see your hands! No! You can get one over here. All right. Open the door! Open the door!
Ma'am, open the door for us.
All right. Hey, can you guys come around to the side? Yep. Break that window if you have to.
Ma'am, they tried to perform
You got legal?
stop on you and you didn't
Yeah.
stop. That was serious. Okay, it's not in your presence. If you've got it in your own hands, keep going.
Hey, she might have a taser in her hand. I'm not sure what that is.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a taser.
you get you out of the vehicle until you get out. You need to comply.
Good idea, bud. You said the drug got taser. You got a pump?
Uh-uh.
Not have a pump.
Ma'am, you need to put down anything you have in your hands and get out of the vehicle.
Watch yourself, watch yourself.
Zipper.
Drop that now. Drop it now. Drop it now. Drop the taser now. Ma'am, you're going to get tased and drug out of that car if you do not drop that taser. Drop the taser now. I'm going left legal. Maintain legal. Drop it now. You're going to get tased. Drop the taser. Drop the taser now.
Drop the taser!
Now. Drop it. Put the taser down. Now. Put the taser down. Now.
I can see her right hand over here.
Flashlight.
Turn the taser on.
Hey, can we get you 3 in the back over here?
Ma'am, put the taser down. Put the taser down. Put the taser down now. You're gonna get hurt if you don't drop the taser.
Put the taser down, ma'am.
Give me one over here.
Yeah, Yeah, I got a shield.
Put that taser down now.
Hands off of me. Hands off me. Lazy police officer, making your job. Get your hands off of me.
Let go of the taser.
Let go of the
Hands
taser.
off
Let go of the taser.
now.
Let go of the taser.
Got her, get out.
All right. Get on the ground.
Dispatch. 18 Jonesboro, 15.
One over to your left knee. Ready for the low?
42 to 18.
Go ahead.
Simple.
Have you pockets? Rubbing up against the door.
Not listening.
Not being dangerous.
18 Jonesboro. Start me at 10-11. Be at 20 here in just a second. It's going to be Arkansas, Adam Victor King, 79 Ida, AVK 79I. Jonesboro, Nettleton and Watt Street.
Simple.
Let me back up a little bit and I'm going to search in front of my car real quick.
Hey, why didn't you stop?
Oh,
18 Jonesboro, 29, 10-9. Bring her over here. Whose cuffs are on her? Yours?
Yes.
Okay. Anything on you that's gonna poke me or stick me?
No.
What's that?
Traffic charges on me.
Alright, come over here. Well, lean back for me.
Do you need EMS?
I don't think so. Do you need to be checked out by EMS?
Mind your business. Next time.
Nope. What's that?
You want the taser?
Yeah. Yeah, just throw it up here.
taser, and I was like, I can't, it's too strong.
Get a wallet or okay. Yeah. Yeah, wasn't the most graceful TBI, but we got her stopped, and she had a taser in her hand. The whole car was locked up. We ended up breaking up the window, putting the guy in the back seat, and he and I pinned her arm down, got the taser from her. She was discharging it while we were having her hand pinned down, and then got it away from her. Yeah, she was squeezing the button. It was zapping while we were trying to pull it out of her hand, and got it away from her and yanked her out of the car. I guess she was driving hazardously down 463, and she was just cruising at like, I don't know, I think I heard him say something like 36, 40 miles an hour, and she turned her blinker on like she was going to pull over, and she just kept going, and I sped up down the interstate and caught him at Love's in Jonesboro and got up behind them. 3 county dudes got up behind them, and then they all just started shutting off their lights, and and she just continued. County followed them for a little bit, and then I just hopped up here and ended it. But she got nothing to say to us though, and keep asking. 1976. So about 50, early 50s. Amanda Lewis, Broadmoor Street out of Little Rock. Yep. Not really. Let me look again. Some of the plastic on the pit bar is a little, well, it's broken off, but no. I can send you a picture if I need to. No, I never had heard anyone request it. Yeah, I was scanning county, and that's when I heard Bay was trying to get it stopped. County went and got it behind him, and then but I never had anyone request, or I never heard anyone request our assistance. I just happened to be there, so I got out with them and was just here. I believe so, yeah. I just thought of it as a state highway.
I don't know if you want to get this though. I got a purse that's some bad folders.
Correct, yeah. Passenger or driver's side window. That was how we gained access to the vehicle. Nope, nobody's injured. Appreciate it, sir. All right. What's up? What's going on, brother? What's happening?
Did you have the pitter?
Yeah. What were you saying about here?
I don't know if you want to take that book bag or something.
No.
I got a purse with a wallet and everything else in it, but I think all the important stuff is in there.
7.